Right, after that last video, thought I'd dig out the panels, just have a quick look at them. I did check these. I think I've had these panels for over a year. Got them a bit cheaper on eBay. Can't afford the actual manufacturer's cost, but someone was selling some brand new ones. So I checked them all out, and they were perfectly fine. Yeah, seems to be a thread going at the moment. So I've just looked at both panels again. One of them's perfect, the other one broken lug. Let's have a look. Okay, yeah, so we've got some lugs on here on the panel. A bit hard doing this one-handed, but on the panel, look, one of the lugs has been knocked. Fackety fack. Yeah, so going to have to do some epoxy gluing. Maybe don't want to mess about with it too much. May have to put do a wire weld at the back when it's straight up. Get some the glue in there, get it hardened up. It seems okay, but yeah, proper peed off with that. So that's another job that I didn't expect to be doing. It's fighting me all the way, this. Fighting me all the way. Oh well, here we go. Hi everyone, right. Got this, got some JB plastic bonder weld and put it in the joint, compressed it, pasted it over the edges a bit, same around the back. Don't know if you can see that. Same around the back there. Yeah, so I'm probably going to just leave this overnight to harden. And then what I'll do is I'll get a little plastic welder out, which is here, and I've got some straight clips, just like bars, which will go on the sides, bond that to that, and then that should be plenty strong enough to hold that in place. Alright, so no rushing, just leave it for overnight. Put the welding clamps on and put a U-clip on there as well. Make sure the U-clip fits, and then that should be fine. Fingers crossed. Okie dokie. Right, this is the welder. It's a little one. There's some welders that have like a big gun affair thing, but this is only a little one. So I've got one of the bars here at the moment. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a couple of goes and see how long it takes to sink in, and gives me an idea of the time frame. Because what you don't want to do is you don't want to melt it into a position where it's just messes up basically. So this bit here is the trigger, and by triggering that sticks a little LED light on. Not that it's bright enough to do anything. And then this heats up this element here, and then heats up the wire, because that wire is thinner. That's going to get really hot. So the idea is that it's going to melt into the plastic. So let's have a go and see how it goes. See it melting. Let it go. And then you slide out, and then the idea is, when it's cooled off, you just cut them pins with a side cutter. So what I'm looking for is it penetrating the plastic, penetrating the, it's a bit hard doing this one hand, penetrating the plastic but not gone through. And if I just get a pair of pliers and just seeing how strong this joint is. Now, just me playing about with that, that ain't doing anything, that just is not moving at all. I'm trying to move this out. So, it's gone in there quite well. So what we'll do is we'll try another one and give that one another go. Just bear with me. Right, I've put that bonding on both sides, and I've put a couple of staples in as well. Put the clip on, and it seems to be quite stable. I think that's going to be plenty strong enough. Just got to trim these spikes off now, and then carefully pack this panel away until it's ready to be used.